Hello patients, clients and colleagues. Welcome to AudioLogic. As the coronavirus pandemic unfolds and evolves across Australia, we would like to reassure our patients that AudioLogic Hearing has taken the appropriate measures to maintain good hygiene and safety measures at all our consulting sites. The health and safety of our community, clients, patients and staff are paramount. We have also implemented the following: hearing aid batteries, some hearing aid accessories such as tubing, domes and wax filters, and hearing aids which have been returned from repairs can be posted directly to you. Alternatively, if you would like to come into the clinic, we can arrange for the hearing aids to be ready for you and brought to your car in the car park. Hearing aids which are not working and need to be brought to the clinic for repairs can be posted directly to our head office in Tacoma at 1532 Burwood Highway in Tacoma. All patients are being screened over the phone when making the appointment and also just before their appointment. Patients who present with any cold and flu-like symptoms are asked to call the clinic before they attend, and we will reschedule your appointment for 14 days' time. During the Stage 4 restrictions in Victoria, or when mandated by the government, all patients and staff will be wearing a mask upon entering the clinic, for the duration of the appointment and on exit of the clinic. We would like to reassure all our patients that our staff are adhering to strict hygiene and cleaning standards, along with hand sanitizer being available at all our sites for our patients and staff, and the wiping down of audiological equipment and other surfaces between patients. If patients prefer not to wait in our waiting areas, you may wait in your car and we will give you a call when the audiologist is ready to see you. We understand these are challenging times. At AudioLogic Hearing, we will continue to provide you with ongoing care and support for your hearing needs. If you do have any questions about our COVID safe plan, please do not hesitate to give us a call at the clinic. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. Please like and subscribe to give your support to the channel, and hit the bell icon too so that you don't miss out on the next new video. AudioLogic, premium hearing care.